Hindi tinanggap ang impeachment complaint laban kay PBBM dahil walang utos.
Before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah.
Sige, Tony, go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about the
Secretary General?
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not.
No, attorney,
It's not an instruction. It is. I am not in a position to receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeach, it was the deputy who received our impeachment
The next in line.
in 2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing.
Okay.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question. Wow. For the record.
Ako sir, I'm just saying I'm not here to. I'm not arguing. Sir.
Wow.
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous people have tried.
Yeah, okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received.
What is the legal basis? We're not arguing.
No, which one, sir?
Meron first impeachment
Na
nandun na sa office kay Attorney Jesus.
She was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but Attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay.
What is your basis? As a lawyer, both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And that's all.
Up to what level yung authority? May tatanong sa office of the section.
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan sila,
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my.
Hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Ang tanong lang, so number one, you're not authorized. Number two, the office is not authorized. Number three, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally, the office is not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jim, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
Ang
Ano ang basis
hindi
mo?
pwede yung ginagawa niyo.
Ano ang basis mo? What is your basis? You tell us your basis.
Sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay.
For the record.
Wait, number one, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant
We don't,
Just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're not answering the question, maybe you have answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
we tendered it.
We are proffering and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Sandali.
Today is 2:18.
Okay, si Attorney naman
second.
I acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Okay, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe
Yes, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Yeah,
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It is
curious.
a statement of fact that I am not authorized.
Okay.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's against the law. It's against the law.
Is that what you're saying?
Okay yan, sandali So sinasabi na ni attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, attorney?
No, authorized.
Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Kalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
it's a
salary.
public office.
Under the
You are a public, you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media, recording, or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
This is a public office.
Public office.
Hindi ito private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
have not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here, as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note, I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, wrong proper.
I know.
Inabot ko.
Yes, sir. I note for the proper. I said no. Okay, para let's go through the motion.
Okay na.
I said no.
Yes.
Para it's po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney, just to be, to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. You understand na? So, thank you.
Wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
So, in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the form.
Thank you
this
for
hearing.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Yung documents.
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
para
verify.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt.
We
tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
Galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let's
You were here
To tender.
I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive ba?
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose.
Attorney,
Di ba office, ito ka pa niya, no? Di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, very
Ako, hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Kaya,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan na section? For the record.
Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you
command?
are second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
Merong papalit, merong susunod.
It's automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nagkano na naman, pumuntang Taiwan.
Kung wala siya, Panyero.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung already. Even if si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo.
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito si introduce si attorney. Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Kumusta kayo? Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Jimenez Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kasi Bina. And former Congressman Jing Para.
no introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna,
I'm the
Attorney General
former
Garcia,
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
Commission.
and sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Okay na.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba merong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.
For the record. Because, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the one China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand.
So ano na ngayon?
I'll see you. You don't walk na rin.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari? Yun nga, hindi naman ni Attorney yung
Enter na tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, manong? Let's go.
Iwan mo natin. Kong.
That's the Iwan kayo.
Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statement, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Again, I am not consented to be recorded.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, sige.
Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si Attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, itong opisina to kasi hindi naman tao eh. Ba't na office? Sa saligang batas, kailangan niya tanggapin talaga. And ito papakita lang na talagang yung na impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement? Any statement, sir? Sa
I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklama.
Congressman Paras, ano ba statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Eh, nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the one China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.